CX automatic filling and capping machine for stand-up pouch. Suitable for different shapes and different kinds of product stand-up pouch. Machine is fully stainless steel design. Machine body is made of stainless steel 304. Filling system is made of stainless steel 316. Advanced design, beautiful and durable. CE certification, meets the GMP standard. Easy to operate, adjustable for different volume of pouch. World-famous brand electric parts and pneumatic parts. Automatic filling, caps feeding and caps screw tightening. 2 filling nozzles, high-speed design.